Dr. Elena, and welcome to the Tooth Fairy channel on Momipedia. So your child is riding his bike and flips over the handlebars, knocking out his tooth. Dental emergencies happen with kids, and oftentimes parents aren't sure what to do. If a dental emergency does happen, it is important to call your dentist as soon as possible so that they can determine if the situation requires immediate attention or if it can wait until the next available appointment. Here are a few common dental emergencies and some tips on what to do. 1. Your child has bitten his lip or tongue severely enough to cause bleeding. You want to clean the area gently with water and use a cold compress to reduce swelling. Give your dentist a call to determine how serious it is. 2. Your child has chipped or broken their tooth. You want to have your child rinse with warm water, then use a cold compress to reduce swelling. Try to locate and save the tooth fragment that was broken off. Your dentist may be able to bond the fragment back on. 3. Your child's permanent tooth has been knocked out. First, you'll need to find your child's tooth and rinse it under cold running water without soap. Hold the tooth by the crown and gently place the tooth back into the socket, holding it in place with a clean towel or washcloth. If you cannot put the tooth back into the socket, place it in a container of milk. In either case, call your dentist immediately. If you act quickly, it's possible to save that permanent tooth. 4. Your child's baby tooth has been knocked out. Well, in the case of a baby tooth, we actually recommend that you do not put the tooth back into the socket. We do not reimplant a baby tooth because doing so can harm the permanent tooth underneath. Call your dentist immediately and schedule an appointment for us to check the area as soon as possible. In general, try to child-proof your house as much as you can to avoid accidents. Use a car seat for young children and seat belts for older kids. Have your child wear protective gear, especially helmets, when they're riding on tricycles, bikes, skates, skateboards, and scooters. If your child plays contact sports, ask your dentist if he or she should wear a mouth guard. I hope these tips help you if you're faced with a dental emergency. I'm Dr. Elena, and I'll see you next time on the Tooth Fairy channel.